How to create a voting event. Tap on Organizer. Tap on New Event. Tap here to upload the flyer of the event. Scroll down, enter the event name. Enter the description of the event. What's the event about? Scroll down and select the start and end date of the voting. Enter the address of the event organizer. Scroll down and choose the category of the event. It's a voting event. The last option, select voting. This is where you can choose the color of the text and the background of the tickets. After entering all the information, tap on Create Event. The event has been created. Tap on Go to Event to customize the event. Scroll down. Tap on Manage Voting. Now we are about to input our contestants and the various categories. Tap on Manage Contestants. Tap on Add Contestants. Tap on Add Image to upload an image of your contestant. Enter the name of the contestant. Enter a description of the contestant. Scroll down and tap Submit. The information of that contestant has been added. Tap on Add New Contestant to add more. Scroll down, tap on Submit, tap OK. The information of another contestant has been added to the contestants list. You can go on and add as much contestants as you wish using the same method. We've submitted the information of 4 contestants. Now let us put them in their category. Tap on this back icon here to go back. Tap on Add Voting Period to Category to create a category for them and voting period. Enter the category name. Enter a description of this category. Scroll down. Enter the voting period. Make sure to activate the voting period in order for people to be able to see this category and vote for the contestants. Scroll down to select the contestants that are in this category. You can either tap here to select all of them, or you can select them individually if you don't want all of them to be in that category. I need all of them in this category, so I'm just going to select all. Tap on Submit. Voting period created. Tap OK. Now we've created a category. You can add other contestants and create another category by following the same steps previously. So we now have 2 categories: the Female Artist of the Year category, the Male Artist of the Year category. If you tap here, you can see all the contestants in that category. Back. Also this, you'll see all the contestants in this category.